How to turn off auto delete activity in Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto delete activity in Google. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on manage your Google account. And now here on the next section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and then you can just tap on data and privacy. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on web and app activity. And this is where your Google activity settings are stored. Now here you can simply scroll down and find auto delete option. So here, once you have found the auto delete option, then what you can do is you can just tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, it may say something like delete activity older than 18 months. So here, if you have selected it, simply select your option to don't auto delete activity, and after that you can just tap on next and then tap on got it button, and that's it. That's how you can turn off auto delete activity in Google. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.